Maybe part of the reason I can't do it is because I lost my voice, and like, so my throat like isn't work. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway,
I think it has to do more with your breath than your throat.
I know, but you can't have good breath if your throat is sore. Whatever. Okay.
This is an epic fail. Does it sound like that?
No, that's not what it's supposed to sound like. Wait.
Maybe you're only using your lips. Maybe you have to put it more in your mouth.
No, you're not supposed to do that.
Why?
That's disgusting.
It may be disgusting.
No, you're not supposed to do that. I know. I'm Jewish. It's a Jewish thing. Okay. That was better.
What was that?
I think my mom like screamed asking what I was. It's my shofar! Oh, it was my brother, not my mom. We can ignore him. It's just Jesse. That was beautiful. Okay.
At least you don't sound like a dying elephant. I hit my head. That was perfect.
I love how I start getting it better when we decide to start taking the video.
Calling all the Huns.
Wait. I want to tag a lot of people in this video. I don't know. I want to see how long I can do it. Ready?
Take a deep breath. Bigger.
No! Jesse wants me to stop. He's telling on us. He just went downstairs to tell my dad. So now we're going to stop so that, like, my dad's like, what are you talking about? They weren't doing that. Okay.